Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Burnt. Today's topic for the video, as you all might have seen, is how to install iOS 15 beta on the iPhone. First of all, open Safari, then search for www.betaprofiles.com. And then select iOS 15 beta and click on Install Profile. Then head over to the settings and verify and install the profile. Then go to Software Update and install the beta version. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Tech Burn to learn more about tech.